Matatapos na sa Sabado ang pansamantalang tax relief ng federal government na hindi lang nagbigay ginhawa sa Canadian consumers kundi pati na rin sa ilang Filipino food business owners. Kaya panawagan ng Restaurants Canada gawin permanente ang nasabing tax holiday. May report si Paula Saraza.
This is pork siomai, one of our bestseller here na Ima!
Sa Filipino street food nag-umpisa ang negosyong naimas ni Kim Miller-Bello at John Rex Ancheta sa Toronto. Aminado mang hindi biro pasuki ng food business, hindi nila pinalagpas ang pagkakataong gamitin ng social media na naging daan para mapalawak ang negosyong bunga ng pandemya.
Since main road pa kami, close to the highway, it's a good price, around roughly 2,500 to 3 grand. And that's all inclusive, like including TMI and all the taxes. So kasama na siya doon. Plus, we have utility bills na on the side, na monthly binabayaran din namin, insurance, then a lot of bills. But we try to manage naman so far. We have how many employees?
Right now we have
5 to 6 people.
Bagamat halos isang taon pa lang sa kanilang pwesto, ramdam daw nilang unti-unti nang nakikilala ang negosyo. Malaking bagay din nila ang tax break na ipinatupad ng Ottawa kamakailan para mas lumawak pa ang kanilang market.
Dumami yung mga customers namin because nawalan ng tax temporary.
Mas marami ng market namin lately, mga students. They're working part-time jobs, diba? On top of that, may mga personal bills din sila. You know, it really helps na yung kakainin na lang nila, wala ng tax, diba?
December 14 noong isang taon noong pansamantalang tanggalin ng tax ng maraming produkto, kabilang ang ilang grocery items at mga pagkaing inihahain sa restaurants. Hakbang ito ng federal government para mabigyan umano ng kaunting ginhawa sa bulsa ang Canadian consumers. Bagay na ramdam din ng ilang food business owners.
If we're buying to our suppliers or grocery stores, it's cheaper kasi wala ng tax. In top of the fix yung budget namin, buo rin namin nakukuha yung profit namin from everything.
Sa pinakahuling survey ng Statistics Canada, naitala ang pinakamalaking pagtaas ng employment sa food service sector mula noong pandemya. Ayon sa Restaurants Canada, malaking bahagi sa patuloy na pag-ahon ng food industry ang pansamantalang GST, HST o tax holiday ng federal government.
There's 1.2 million Canadians working in the industry. So that tax break is really helping not only maintain the jobs, but also create some new ones.
Mapapasuna sa February 15 ang nasabing tax relief at umaasa ang Restaurants Canada na gawin itong permanente. Lalo't magiging malaking hamon din nila kung ipatutupad ang bantang taripa ng Amerika.
The last thing we want is to put even more pressure on the little budget that people still have in their pockets right now. We want to make sure that they do have the money. So we're asking the government to exempt food from any retaliatory tariffs.
For us to attract more people, we really make sure na we serve good quality of food, na masarap talaga yung binibili nila para for them kahit pagbalik ng tax ay pupunta pa rin sila.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.